Good day, everybody. Another day, another Tola. As we check the markets for today, this is last week, and today is Monday, and we just entered a trade right here. And unfortunately, I didn't mark my London high, London low, but I can see already that this what we have here. Let's just open a smaller time frame so that you can see it clearly. We have a London low right about here, and right after the open we had a sweep right here. We had a sweep right here right after the open, and this is where we are right now. I don't think we can see it clearly on the 1 hour, but that's why I'm moving to the one minute time frame so that you can peep it nicely. This is what happened when we opened. I don't know if this is a gap or is this just a spike, but this is when we opened today in the morning, and right now we are just right here. Let me just set my levels. My stop loss will be 10 points away, 10 points or 100 pips away from my entry. I don't know if this is the network or what's going on, but we're here today. We're hoping to recover last week's loss, and let me just keep it brief and not get into details a lot. But right now I'm still at work, but I'll update you as the time goes. But I'm knocking off at 4 o'clock today, so I'll be free right about 4:30. But I'll just let this one run because I just executed my rules, my plan, and now I just have to wait for the market to do its thing. We don't have to force the market, we don't have to force the entries. We just have to let the market tell us what it does, and we follow after. So yeah, let's just leave it here and I'll update you as time goes. Boom. Back again. Just wanted to update you about that trade. We took a loss. 180 loss. But I think the market wasn't done sweeping, and those horizontal short lines that you see. Let me just do this. This is my London high, and this is my London low, London open. I just marked it just so that I can see my highs and lows. Let me just, it's not relevant right now, but I can see that just like the previous two trades that we took, we got in too early and we were took out with the market. Let me just show you the history. Now this is a recovery trade because as you can see, this is a recovery trade. This trade here is this one right here. So yeah, we back again at it after an entry. Let me just set my stop loss and TP. My stop loss is gonna be below our sweep, which is, let's just make it 10 points below our sweep, and my TP, I'm gonna go for the London high again because I'm hoping that we're gonna sweep again here. So yeah, this is as far as it goes, and you just have to believe, execute, and let everything be. If you take another loss again, it's fine. Tomorrow is another chance. We focus on growth, not profit a lot. I know that forex is all about making money, but sometimes you just have to learn and execute the skill. Not sometimes, but can't make money every day in forex. Let's just be honest. But I trust and believe my analysis and strategy. These have played out a lot of times before. So yeah, let's just have patience and my risk this time is much higher, but it's the same process, same everything. I will update you shortly, and yeah, let's just hold and let the market play out. Peace. And I'm back with an update. As you can see, we're already running 330, and yeah, we're still gonna hold. I think this is gonna be an overnight trade because you can peep the time now is 12 minutes past 6. So yeah, if I'm just gonna let it ride up until our London high there, or if you take a loss again, it will be fine. But we've been doing this over and over again, so it's not new. So yeah, let me just keep it brief and show you how we're going right now. We've closed above London low, so we're still safe for now, and I'm not gonna move my stop losses or anything. I just want them to be like this. So yeah, we'll see how this trade goes. And as this is a Monday, let me just call it a day. Plus, I don't like overnight trades, and I've recovered. I think I'll just call it a day. And yeah, there goes our profit. Let's see, last week. Yeah, the journey continues. Although I know that we might come here and sweep this liquidity, this equal highs here. There's a bunch of liquidity right here, and we might even come up until here, but we don't predict the market. We just apply the rules and get in and out as much as we can. So yeah, it was a not trade, but here we were a little bit impatient right here. That's why we've entered early right here. But this is the market, the market does what it does. You have to come in and do what you do best. And yeah, we'll see again tomorrow. As this is a Monday, I know that Monday is very tricky sometimes, but this is the clean example of what we do every day. You just wait for the market to come here and clean, take out all the stops and orders, so that we can have the momentum and the power to shift up here and come again to do this very same thing over and over again. That's why we have to chill and be patient. This happens every day, so just keep building brick by brick. This is a journey, it's a process, and you have to believe in it. And yeah, this is what we do every day. So we'll be back again tomorrow to do the same thing. Tomorrow is a Tuesday, so let's just get ready for tomorrow. We just shift here to tomorrow, and we'll just wait for London to go, and we'll see what happens here tomorrow based on this and London. So yeah, for now the market is flying, but I'm happy with the result. I'm happy with my profit. Just like I told you, this had so much power right here, so much stop losses and orders, so that it can move to the upside. So yeah, this happens every day so that the market can keep the balance and everything. So we'll be back again tomorrow and execute the same plan, the same KPI, and stay focused. bless.